EDC knives serve as versatile tools for daily tasks and emergencies. These compact and portable blades emphasize practicality and durability, featuring various locking mechanisms, blade styles, and materials. Ideal for cutting, slicing, and utility purposes. They come in pocket-friendly designs, providing convenience for everyday use. With their reliability and multipurpose functionality, EDC knives are essential companions for individuals seeking a dependable cutting tool as part of their daily essentials. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Kershaw Launch 16 is a sleek and high-performance automatic knife, combining a modern design with top-notch functionality. Featuring a robust CPM 154 stainless steel blade with a durable stone-washed finish, this knife offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring long-term reliability for various cutting tasks. Its compact aluminum handle, adorned with a unique carbon fiber inlay, provides a comfortable and secure grip while enhancing the knife's overall aesthetics. With a fast and responsive push-button automatic opening mechanism and a sturdy integrated safety lock, the Launch 16 ensures convenient and safe deployment and retraction of the blade. This knife embodies Kershaw's commitment to innovation and quality, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a dependable and stylish everyday carry option. Number 9. Benchmade Bugout stands as a testament to lightweight versatility and high-performance design in the realm of folding knives. Engineered for everyday carry, it features a premium CPM S30V stainless steel blade renowned for its exceptional edge retention and corrosion resistance, ensuring reliable cutting capability. The ultralight yet robust Grivery handle delivers a comfortable grip and durability while maintaining a featherweight feel, making it ideal for extended carry without weighing you down. The AXS lock mechanism allows for smooth one-handed operation and ensures secure blade deployment and closure. With a reversible deep carry pocket clip and various color options, the Bugout offers customizable style and practicality, making it an exemplary choice for those seeking a dependable, lightweight, and versatile everyday carry knife. Number 8. Spyderco Paramilitary 2 stands as an iconic and highly regarded folding knife, celebrated for its exceptional performance and ergonomic design. Sporting a premium CPM S30V stainless steel blade, this knife offers outstanding edge retention and toughness, meeting diverse cutting demands with ease. Its G10 handle not only provides a comfortable and secure grip, but also showcases a refined ergonomic contour, ensuring extended use without hand fatigue. Featuring Spyderco's patented compression lock mechanism, the Paramilitary 2 enables smooth one-handed deployment and secure locking for enhanced safety during operation. With a 4-position pocket clip for versatile carry options and a robust build, this knife embodies precision engineering, making it a top choice among enthusiasts and professionals seeking reliability and functionality in their everyday carry gear. Number 7. Emerson Knives Kwaiken epitomizes a fusion of modern engineering and classic design, offering a robust and versatile cutting tool with a touch of elegance. With a formidable D2 tool steel blade, known for its durability and edge retention, the Kwaiken excels in various cutting tasks. Its sleek and slender G10 handle, featuring Emerson's signature textured grip, ensures a comfortable and secure hold during use. The patented wave opening feature allows for rapid one-handed deployment as the knife is withdrawn from the pocket, providing quick accessibility in critical situations. Number 6. Zero Tolerance 22 is a compact yet robust folding knife that packs immense functionality into a pocket-friendly design. Featuring a premium CPM 20 CV stainless steel blade, renowned for its edge retention and corrosion resistance, this knife delivers exceptional cutting performance. Its carbon fiber handle, coupled with a sturdy titanium frame lock, ensures a secure and comfortable grip while maintaining durability. The 22 boasts a versatile, nearly 2-inch blade, ideal for intricate tasks, and showcases a sleek, minimalist aesthetic. With its smooth ball-bearing pivot system enabling effortless blade deployment and a deep carry pocket clip for convenient everyday carry, The Zero Tolerance 22 exemplifies precision engineering and reliability, catering to knife enthusiasts and professionals seeking a compact yet powerful cutting tool for their daily needs. Number 5. Kershaw Epistle Folding Knife is a versatile and reliable tool designed for everyday carry. With a blade length of 3.25 inches, the Epistle offers a perfect balance between compactness and functionality. The drop point blade is made from high-quality 8th-tier 13 mauve stainless steel, ensuring excellent durability and edge retention. The knife features a manual opening mechanism with a flipper and speed-safe assisted opening, allowing for smooth and effortless deployment. The handle is constructed from glass-filled nylon, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The Epistle also includes a reversible pocket clip, enabling convenient and customizable carry options. Whether for camping, hiking, or everyday tasks, the Kershaw Epistle folding knife is a reliable companion that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use. Number 4. CRKT M1602D Commemorative Knife pays homage to precision and durability with its remarkable design. Featuring a 3.06-inch dual-grind tanto blade crafted from tough AUS-8 stainless steel, this knife offers exceptional cutting power and resilience. Its Carson flipper opening mechanism and Teflon bearings ensure swift, effortless deployment, while the robust frame lock mechanism guarantees a secure blade position during use. The aluminum handle, adorned with a commemorative insignia, provides a comfortable and steady grip for intricate tasks. With a convenient stainless steel clip for versatile carry options, this commemorative edition of the M16 series embodies reliability, functionality, and a timeless tribute to craftsmanship, making it an exceptional choice for collectors and everyday users alike. Number 3. Gerber Asada Cleaver Style Pocket Knife, a unique blend of robustness and versatility in its design. With a Cleaver-style 3-inch blade crafted from durable 7CR17 mauve stainless steel, this knife excels in heavy-duty cutting tasks while maintaining sharpness and edge retention. Its compact size and discreet pocket clip facilitate convenient everyday carry, allowing for quick access to its formidable cutting capabilities. The stone-washed finish not only enhances the blade's durability, but also adds a sleek aesthetic appeal. The finger flipper and ball-bearing pivot system ensure smooth, rapid deployment with a single hand, while the sturdy frame lock mechanism guarantees secure usage. Ideal for outdoor excursions or everyday use, the Gerber Asada Cleaver-style pocket knife combines rugged performance with portability, making it a reliable companion for various cutting needs. Number 2. Spyderco Police 4 Lightweight Folding Knife epitomizes a perfect balance of functionality, performance, and convenience. This knife features a formidable 4.39-inch VG10 stainless steel blade, combining exceptional cutting ability with corrosion resistance. The full flat grind ensures precise slicing while maintaining robustness for heavier cutting tasks. Crafted with lightweight FRN, fiberglass reinforced nylon handles, it offers durability without compromising maneuverability. Its signature thumb hole and back lock mechanism provide smooth, ambidextrous operation and secure blade deployment, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry or tactical use. With a 4-position pocket clip allowing customizable and discreet carry options, the Spyderco Police 4 Lightweight Folding Knife stands as a reliable, high-performance tool suitable for both professional and recreational use. Number 1. Smith & Wesson Extreme Ops SWA-24S embodies ruggedness and functionality in a compact folding knife. Boasting a 3.1-inch black oxide-coated stainless steel tanto blade, this knife offers durability and cutting precision suitable for various tasks. Its partially serrated edge enhances versatility for slicing and tougher materials. The aluminum handle features textured scales, ensuring a secure grip during use. The ambidextrous thumb studs and liner lock mechanism facilitate smooth one-handed deployment and secure blade locking, providing reliability in demanding situations. With a convenient pocket clip for easy everyday carry and a lanyard hole for additional carrying options, the SWA-24S serves as a dependable companion for outdoor activities, EDC needs, or tactical situations, reflecting Smith & Wesson's commitment to quality and utility in a compact design.